It's 7:42 p.m. on a Tuesday. The world outside is winding down and inside, everything feels familiar, safe, and routine. You're scrolling through your phone, half watching TV, maybe sipping a drink, the soft glow of screens filling the room with comfort. Then, without warning, click. Everything goes black. The hum of electronics vanishes and the silence is sudden, absolute. The silence is deafening, your heart races. Is it just your building? The whole city? You peer out the window searching for any sign of light, but the world outside is swallowed by darkness. The comfort of your home becomes a potential trap, and the darkness outside feels alive, pressing in on all sides. Every shadow seems to move. This isn't a drill. This is real. The air feels heavier, and every sound is amplified. We've seen it before: Hurricane Sandy, the Texas freeze, wildfires, and storms that left millions stranded. Disasters that turned ordinary nights into a fight for survival. The difference between those who survived and those who didn't wasn't luck. It was preparation, quick thinking, and knowing what to do next. It's 9 specific rules that turn chaos into control. These rules are your lifeline when the world goes dark. The first 30 minutes after the power dies are critical. Every second counts, and hesitation can make all the difference. Every decision sets the stage for what's to come. Your actions now will echo through the hours ahead. This is the moment to prove your will to survive. Your mindset, your calm, and your readiness are your greatest tools. The clock is ticking and the darkness is unforgiving. Time slips away faster than you think. We're going to walk through this together, step by step. You won't be alone in the dark. Let's dive into rule number 1, because getting this wrong could cost you everything. Ready? Let's begin. When the lights go out, everything changes in an instant. The familiar world you know is replaced by uncertainty and shadows. Darkness is your first enemy, and it can disorient even the most prepared. Panic and confusion thrive in the absence of light. Your mission: conquer it in under 3 minutes. Every second counts, so act with purpose and speed. Forget your phone. Its battery is for communication, not light. Save it for critical calls or updates, not for stumbling through the dark. You need a high-lumen LED flashlight within reach, one that's reliable, fully charged, and easy to operate even when you're half awake. Grab it, stay calm, and check on your family. Make sure everyone is accounted for and reassure them with your presence. A steady voice and beam of light project control. Your calmness will help others stay composed and focused. Secure your immediate area, then escalate. Check for hazards and make sure exits and entry points are safe. Use battery-powered lanterns in key areas: kitchen, bathroom, living space. This keeps your hands free and your home functional. Black out your windows to avoid becoming a target. In a blackout, visible light can attract unwanted attention from outside. Light discipline is crucial. Your lit-up house screams resources. Don't let your home stand out in a dark neighborhood. Control your light signature to manage your security profile. Block every crack and gap where light could leak out. Glow sticks are great for long-term light and marking pathways. They're safe, last for hours, and help prevent accidents in the dark. Plan for the next 72 hours and beyond. Review your supplies, update your emergency plan, and make sure everyone knows the next steps. The 3-minute light protocol is about immediate action and long-term thinking. It's your blueprint for safety and stability when the world goes dark. Master it, and you've won the first battle against the dark, protecting your loved ones and restoring order when chaos threatens. With light established, water is your next priority. When the power fails, water pressure drops to 0. Your mission: turn your home into a water fortress. Mobilize everyone to fill every container. The bathtub is your primary reservoir. Fill sinks, pots, pans, and bottles. While some fill, others purify with tablets or filters. Access your hot water heater's reservoir. Plan for rainwater collection for long-term replenishment. This strategy ensures a secure, controlled water supply. In a blackout, water is power. It's the currency of survival, and you've made your family wealthy. Secure your water, secure your future. The silent fridge is a ticking time bomb. Master food triage, assess, prioritize, consume. Open the fridge as little as possible. Group 1, items that spoil fastest. Raw meats, milk. Group 2, items that last longer. Leftovers, hard cheeses. Group 3, freezer contents. Safe for 24 to 48 hours. Cook everything from Group 1 using alternative methods. Convert perishables into stable leftovers. This cooking marathon salvages food and provides ready meals. Shift focus to pantry. Canned goods, pasta, rice. Plan your consumption. You're on rations. Food is comfort. Include morale-boosting treats. Mastering food supply is about resources and morale. It's about maintaining strength for the days ahead. Turn potential disaster into strategic advantage. After securing light, water, and food, your next challenge is to battle the elements and protect your family from extreme temperatures, whether it's freezing cold or sweltering heat. The key is to create a microclimate, a safe room that becomes your stronghold for survival, where you can control the environment as much as possible. Choose a small, well-insulated room with minimal windows and doors. Spaces like an interior bedroom, attic, or basement work best to trap warmth or keep out heat. Move all essential supplies, food, water, flashlights, and first aid, into this space so you don't have to leave your safe zone unnecessarily. In cold weather, insulate the room by hanging blankets over windows, blocking drafts with towels, and sealing any gaps with tape to keep precious heat inside. Huddle together for warmth. Your combined body heat acts as a powerful furnace, making a real difference in keeping everyone comfortable. Use a terracotta pot heater or a safe DIY candle heater to add extra warmth, but always ensure proper ventilation and never leave them unattended. In extreme heat, keep the room dark by closing curtains and use battery-powered fans to circulate air and prevent overheating. Create a simple swamp cooler by hanging a damp sheet in front of an open window or fan. As air passes through, it cools the room. Stay hydrated at all times. Water is crucial for your body to regulate temperature, especially during a heat wave. Minimize physical activity during the hottest parts of the day to conserve energy and avoid overheating or dehydration. At night, open windows to let in cooler air and refresh your safe room, but remember to close them before temperatures rise again. Work together to isolate, insulate, and concentrate your efforts on maintaining a stable environment in your chosen room. With preparation and teamwork, you can create a true sanctuary against the elements, no matter what's happening outside. Win the temperature war, and you'll ensure your family's survival and comfort through any crisis. In a blackout, information is vital. Establish a robust communication lifeline. Preserve your phone's battery. Use it sparingly. Text messages are more likely to get through. Your phone is for emergencies, not scrolling. A simple AM/FM radio is your ear to the world. A hand crank or solar-powered radio is ideal. For local communication, use walkie-talkies. Establish protocols, check-in times, code words. Power is lifeblood. Have a way to recharge devices. A solar charger or hand crank is invaluable. Keep a fully charged power bank in your kit. Have a non-electric communication plan. Agree on a meeting point and out-of-state contact. Ensure you're never truly alone or in the dark. In a blackout, your home must be a medical fortress. Stock surplus prescription medications. Upgrade your first aid kit to trauma-ready. Know how to use every item. Take courses. Hygiene is critical. Plan for waste management. Use soap and water for hand washing. Don't neglect dental health. Stock dental supplies. Have over-the-counter medications ready. Prepare for the psychological toll. Maintain routine. Talk to each other. Acknowledge stress. Your medical fortress defends body and mind. Address prescriptions, trauma care, sanitation, ailments, and mental health. Build resilience when professional help is far away. You're not just hoping for health, you're ensuring it. Create a robust system for medical issues. In a blackout, the threat may be other people. Establish a hard security perimeter, control visibility, blackout windows, harden entry points with deadbolts and security bars, apply security film to ground floor windows, practice noise discipline, sound travels in silence. A generator is a resource advertisement. Use cautiously, build a community, strengthen numbers, coordinate with trusted neighbors for security, have a plan for direct confrontation, create loud noise to alert neighbors, designate a safe room for retreat. Security is a mindset, a series of layers. Keep chaos outside where it belongs. Make your home a tough, unappealing target. Shift from acquisition to conservation. Master resource multiplication, efficiency, repurposing, conservation. Use water multiple times. Collect gray water. Use energy wisely. Plan trips and cooking. Food multiplication means zero waste. repurpose everything, trash is a treasure trove, share skills within your community, pool knowledge and resources for resilience, multiply human capital, the most valuable resource, transform from consumer to producer, shift mindset from scarcity to abundance, extend your survival timeline indefinitely. Don't just endure the blackout, prevail. Resource multiplication is key to survival. It's the difference between fear and ingenuity. Know when to go if the situation worsens. Implement escalation protocols, shelter, fortify, bug out, shelter in place, secure, monitor, stay inside, harden the perimeter, increase security, cease non-essential trips, execute bug out, predetermined triggers for leaving. Pre-pack bug out bags for every family member. Bags are 72-hour survival kits. Plan multiple routes to pre-planned destinations. Rehearse the plan with your family. Escalation protocols are strategic thinking. Flexibility is key to survival. Define red lines before the crisis hits. Move with speed, purpose, and a plan. Remove emotion and panic from decisions. Ensure safety with pre-planned actions. We've covered 9 fundamental survival rules. Knowledge is potential power. Action is real power. This is your window of opportunity. Pick 3 rules and implement them this week. Start small, but start now. This video is a starting point for survival. For more, check the comprehensive survival guide. The guide adds crucial layers to your defense. Share this video with those you care about. A strong community is your best resource. Hit like and subscribe for more life-saving content. Your preparation today ensures tomorrow's survival. Stay safe, stay prepared. I'll see you in the next one. Your mission starts now.